thing we're going to do is try and remove the original brass nut. To try and take some of the dents that have been put into this time capsule. I'm using some tools just to prise the lead up. Start to get some of the original back in the bottle. So we're soldering the new brass ring into the top. Using a traditional moleskin cloth, manipulate the solder so as it sticks to both the lead and the brass. So that is now the original time capsule with its new brass ferrule, lead welded side, all put back together again. So using a little bit of heat, we're going to try and recreate the dome top